Step into almost any kitchen in the world, and you'll find a quiet debate simmering beneath the surface. Electric stove or gas stove? It's not just about how food gets cooked. It's about tradition, technology, safety, and even culture. The choice isn't just flipping a switch. It reflects how we live, what we value, and how our tools have evolved. So which is more efficient? Electric stove or gas stove? Let's dive right into it, right here, on History of Simple Things. Gas stoves came first, dating back to the early 19th century when gas lighting was already common in cities. Innovators soon realized the same fuel could be used for cooking. By the mid-1800s, gas stoves were spreading into homes, offering a cleaner and more controllable alternative to wood-burning hearths. For the first time, cooks could adjust heat almost instantly, a feature that still makes gas a favorite among many chefs today. Electric stoves didn't become practical until the early 20th century, when electricity became more common in homes. At first, they were seen as a modern luxury. Instead of flames, they used electric heating elements, but early models were slow to heat and cool, making them less popular with cooks. Over time, the technology improved. Today's electric stoves, especially induction, offer speed and precision that can rival or surpass gas. Gas and electric stoves differ mainly in how they produce heat. Gas stoves burn fuel, creating a flame that heats cookware but loses much of its energy to the air. Electric stoves use coils or electromagnetic energy, with induction models heating the pan directly instead of the surface. This makes them far more efficient. Induction can convert about 85–90% of energy into usable heat, compared to roughly 40–55% for gas, resulting in less waste and better performance. Control and safety are key differences. Gas stoves offer instant heat adjustments, making them ideal for precise cooking, while older electric models can lag, though modern induction stoves now respond almost as quickly. In terms of safety, gas stoves use open flames and can release harmful pollutants, whereas electric stoves eliminate combustion, making them safer with no flames, leaks, or indoor emissions. That said, electric stoves have their own safety considerations. The surface can remain hot even after the stove is turned off, increasing the risk of burns. Induction stoves, however, offer a clever solution. Because they heat the cookware directly, the surface stays relatively cool and often includes automatic shut-off features. This makes them one of the safest options available today, especially for households with children. Then there's the question of reliability. Gas stoves have a surprising advantage here. In the event of a power outage, they can still function, as long as the gas supply remains intact. This can be a major benefit in areas prone to storms or unstable ULCARB. Electric stoves, by contrast, are completely dependent on electricity. No power means no cooking. For some households, that alone is a deciding factor. Cost and culture both play a role. Gas stoves can be cheaper to run where natural gas is abundant but may require complex installation, while electric stoves are easier to install, and induction, though pricier up front, can save money with efficiency. Culturally, gas stoves feel traditional and authentic, while electric and induction models offer a modern, sleek, and high-tech cooking experience. Sustainability adds another dimension. Gas stoves use fossil fuels and can leak methane, contributing to greenhouse gases, while electric stoves are cleaner if powered by renewable energy. As grids shift toward greener sources, electric cooking is becoming the more eco-friendly choice. Some regions now promote or require electric appliances, making a simple kitchen choice part of a larger energy and sustainability conversation. Performance-wise, both types of stoves have their strengths. Gas excels at high-heat cooking and techniques that require open flames, like charring or flambeing. Electric stoves, particularly induction, shine in precision cooking, offering consistent temperatures that are ideal for tasks like melting chocolate or cooking delicate sauces. In many professional kitchens, you'll even find a combination of both, taking advantage of what each does best. Maintenance is another practical consideration. Gas stoves often have grates and burners that need regular cleaning, and spills can be harder to manage. Electric stoves, especially flat-top models, are easier to wipe down and keep looking clean. Induction surfaces in particular don't get as hot, so food is less likely to burn onto them, making cleanup even simpler. In the end, choosing between an electric stove and a gas stove isn't about which one is universally better. It's about what fits your lifestyle, your cooking style, and your priorities. Do you value the immediacy and tradition of a flame or the efficiency and innovation of modern technology? Are you thinking about long-term energy costs, environmental impact, or simply what feels right in your kitchen? So the next time you step into a kitchen and turn on the stove, take a moment to notice what you're using. Whether it's the steady glow of an electric surface or the flicker of a gas flame, you're not just cooking a meal, you're participating in a long, evolving story of human innovation, one that continues to change with every spark, every flame, and every dish prepared. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.